hello. Good morning. It is a beautiful 7:23 a.m. from West Coast, Best Coast, California, USA. I am your streamer, Alina Likes Cozy, and welcome on into the game studio. Is anyone else having a early morning start today? Our game studio, if you're new here, is called Glossford Games, and we focus on creating games that make our players feel better. So, our games are not just for entertainment, which is, a super important part of video games. Video games should be fun, but really focus on your mental health, physical health, emotional health, all that great stuff. I was asked at a tech event the other day, like, why did you name your studio Glossford? And I'm a little bit of a crazy bird lady. I got the pet bird over there. He's eating breakfast, so he's not squawking just yet, little Faraday. But also, I actually have this huge respect for birds. I think it's really cute. Burbs, burbies, all of that, like the word itself. But birds, they're super smart. They gather in communities. They actually help each other out. They teach each other stuff, and they use tools, and they're pretty efficient. So I love birds, and that was a big reason why we named the studio Glossbird. Me and one of our designers, Aiden, is also a bird bro, and so it just made sense for the bird portion. For the gloss portion is wanted something that was a little bit more kind of feminine of a word, and just we create glossy games, polished games, really focus on player centric design and all of that. But good morning and welcome on in. We're working today on our first game called Fitment, and Fitment is a mobile exercise game. It's essentially a fitness app, and so the core of the game is doing these follow-on in-place exercises and stretches, but the differentiator is how it gets you to do that. If you like collecting, decorating, getting new characters, games like Animal Crossing, well, that's what this game was inspired by. So we'll be working on that. Oh gosh, we got working on build issues this morning. So if you are really good with Gradle stuff, now is your time to freaking shine. So we'll get over here. So I have Unity pulled up, and I hope you all are gonna get some good work done today. Ooh, one moment. Let me go grab my phone. And huzzah! So we're gonna try and do some build stuff this morning. You'll hear that beautiful USB connecting and not connecting. Ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. Let's go there. I got like 3 phones on my desk. I'm collecting phones. I actually need to go ahead and order some more phones for our demo for GDC. I normally order them from Newegg. And then let's start the stream off properly with what we normally do, which is write ourselves a little sticky note of what we're going to do today. Otherwise, as soon as I start ranting, we'll get off track. So goals. Our number one goal, our only goal, get builds to work on computer. I know builds are working on our dev's computer, it's just mine, but I always need to make sure my computer can also work in case, any last minute changes or quick fixes, all of that. And then our to-do list, just in general on stream. Is, let's order test demo phones. So I normally order like the Google Pixel. So you want it to run Android 13 tiramisu. Okay, we're on the, don't need Pixel 8. Basically, I want to know Pixel 4 runs Android 13. Then I'll also check Pixel 5. Okay, all the way down to the Pixel 4. Use, refurbish. I think I will do a Pixel 5. I just want the cheapest one. It's out of stock. Just get this on order. Okay, I see 180, 185, 185. Then let me also really check eBay. So we're getting ready to prep for GDC. We'll be tabling at GDC, which is really exciting. Not at GDC itself, but the Unity GDC after party. So please come and check us out. But I actually lost one of our test phones, which was a Pixel 3, which doesn't even run Android 13 anymore. So I guess that's fine. Broken. Kind of broken. Okay, be defective. Let's see what's defective about it. Oh my gosh. How do people sell phones just for parts? That's insane. parts only. What the heck? Like, I don't mind a few scratches, but we want the screen to look good. So let's see, what's this one? Good. Minor screen damage, detail on pictures. So, I can work with this. I think we can work with this. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and purchase that, so switch off there. How's everyone doing this morning? Everyone's doing okay. Who's excited to see the new Dune movie? Alright. Just going to So I think next week I am actually going to see Dune, but it's at an investor event, so that will be fun. No, actually it will be. I mean, I got to see a free movie, like that sounds great. I mean, I think I'd rather see it with a hot dude, but investors and getting some business done is I guess. I'm not showing my screen right now because I'm just getting checked out on something. I'm purchasing a used test phone right now off of eBay, so just wanna get that all ready. Welcome on in though. Happy morning. Alright, so I'm getting a used Google Pixel 5 for a total of $118. It has a couple of scratches, but like honestly, when you take these phones out, because we're using as a demo phone at events, they get kind of scratched up anyway, and I will just put a screen protector on it. So happy about that, getting that phone. Amazing. Cool. So we did that on our list. So I can say order demo phone. So that's our Google Pixel 5 is complete. Okay, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this stream, which is build. So we gotta solve. I have Google Gemini pulled up. Maybe using the power of large language models, we can go ahead and figure this out. But I do have phone out here, and we're gonna go ahead and do our build. I'm gonna just type the key store off screen here. I'm also documenting this on Slack so our devs can help us out. So I do want to screenshot kind of where we're at as far as things go. So we got those for settings. So top one settings. Okay, so that'll do. Key store off screen. Yeah, nothing crazy there. And if you go to our preferences, I deleted Gradle yesterday. I was at 6.1.1 and just downloaded 8.5. One moment. I'm getting logged in here. I will just build with these settings from yesterday. So pointing to Gradle 8.5, and then that is an environment variable and should be in our path. Alright, then my phone is, we're gonna build to the Samsung. So say build and run. See all these beautiful builds I did yesterday. So attempt number 10. I'll just chill here. Oof. I don't know why my masking isn't on. Let's try this. There we go. And while that's working in the background, I'll just get some different posts line up. So let's go to Twitter. We're gonna just line up a couple of Twitter posts. Got a couple minutes every time. Oh, just saw Lana Lux go on. So we have our backlog of posts. Make sure we always add text. For those who do share ammo, we appreciate you. You are a good co-op partner. If you are just joining in, welcome to Glossbird Games. I'm kind of dual tasking right now. We're attempting some Unity Gradle stuff. I'm having a ton of build issues. If you all remember last June and the pain of the Gradle Wars that turned into this epic anime thing, let me know. But in the meantime, I'm just getting some posts line up too. Get some posts lined up. We can do March. I think this would actually hit better at night. March 3rd, Sunday. Yeah, let's do this. Just doing our little sassy jokes. I mean, not joke, because toxicity in the game industry is super freaking real, and there is a lot of trauma that's happening right now. Waiting for the build and getting our posts up. A little test tube there. I'll schedule that for 8. So, do need to make a going to GDC. I got a lot of like random social media stuff going to GDC graphic. And we're live on Twitch graphic variants, maybe 3. Okay, so wahoo! Surprise, surprise! Great way to start off the morning with a Gradle build failed. It's like the bane of my existence right now. Alright, let's check out those error messages. This is what I really wanted to copy in. Deprecated Gradle features, blah blah blah. That shouldn't. This is strange. Like, what is happening with this Gradle launcher? And I'm taking screenshots just to lightly document what the heck is happening for the devs. So I might need some more help. Ba, 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 ba. Alright. Let's see how powerful. So if you all saw Google Bard renamed to Gemini, because you know Google, they love renaming all of their products. So I'm curious what it would say on this error here. So I'm just copying it. And we'll actually just straight up go to Gemini. Gradle build issues building on Unity 2021.3. And then we'll also look this up and dig through Stack Overflow and all the forums. Hey, Clayman Dev. You got a good experience with the Gradle issues on Unity? Good morning, welcome on in. Or good afternoon, potentially. Or good evening? Question mark? Streaming from California, so it's about 8 a.m. Okay, understanding the error message you provide indicates a Gradle build issue. Good time zone works. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day, good night, good fright, good sight, good light. Yeah. No, I spent 3 hours on this last night, and it's really bothering me, and it's more fun to do this on stream, so at least I have some company as we work through these horrible Gradle issues. Oh, and Gemini is not super helpful. Yes, I know it's recommendations. Run stack trace, info debug, run blah blah blah. Check online sources. You are the online resource, Gemini. Honestly, that was kind of crap. Okay. What I'm gonna do um you know, I sometimes have an okay time with ChatGPT and these large language learning models. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually going to type in the same prompt and see what ChatGPT gives us. Oh, hold on. My computer just flickered. Are we still streaming? Holy crap. Am I still streaming? Holy moly macaroni.